Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone to this course, Algorithms and Data Structures. As you see in the slide, get ready to explore the foundations of programming. I'm gonna present myself, Dr. Skander HAMDI. I have a doctoral degree in computer science, specifically in machine learning and intelligent systems. I also work as a web and mobile developer. You can reach me by one of these emails or meet me in my office all Mondays from 9 o'clock to 11 and half. So this course, Algorithms and Data Structures, who might be interested in? First year LMD computer science students, first year computer science engineer students, and of course anyone eager to understand algorithms, data structures, and wants to start a programming journey. Let's present some information about this course. We have 1 hour and a half per week as a course, the same for tutorial and practice works. This course has a coefficient of 4 and 6 credits, which makes it very important for first year students' evaluation. Talking about the evaluation, it will be 60% for the final exam and 40% for the continuous evaluation. And here we talk about micro exams, participation, and homeworks. What you should know before enrolling to this course. Good news, you don't have too much knowledge to start. Basic arithmetic operations, simple logic comparisons, ability to follow and describe instructions, basic computer skills like file management using applications. What is the main objective of this course? At the end of this course, the student will acquire the fundamental skills in algorithms and programming to solve computing problems. But what you will learn more specifically? First, acquire the fundamental concepts of algorithms. Use control structures to direct the execution flow of algorithms and programs. Manipulate one-dimensional and two-dimensional arrays to manage collections of data. Decompose programs into subprograms to achieve modularization. And finally, define and use structures to group heterogeneous data. Let's take an overview of this course. Algorithms and data structures are fundamental concepts in computer science. An algorithm is a set of well-defined instructions used to solve a problem or perform a computation, while data structures are ways of organizing, sorting data in a computer so it can be accessed and modified efficiently. This course, entitled Algorithms and Data Structures, will introduce you to the essential principles of designing efficient algorithms and selecting appropriate data structures to solve a wide range of computational problems. You will learn how to analyze the efficiency of algorithms and implement basic data structures. Now let's take a look to the course content. Chapter 1, Introduction to Algorithms and Programming. This chapter introduces the fundamentals of algorithms, programs, and flowcharts. It covers essential components such as constants, variables, data types, and expressions, as well as basic instructions like assignment, input, and output. The problem-solving process is outlined step by step, and the chapter concludes with an introduction to the basic concepts of C++ programming language. Chapter 2, Control Structures. This chapter covers control structures, beginning with conditional structures like if and switch, and continuing with loop structures including for, while, and while. It emphasizes selecting the appropriate control structures based on the problem to be solved, enabling the creation of a clear and efficient algorithm logic. Chapter 3, Arrays and Matrices. This chapter introduces one-dimensional arrays and two-dimensional arrays. It covers how to declare, access, and manipulate array elements, as well as how to iterate through arrays using loops to perform various operations efficiently. Chapter 4, Functions and Procedures. This chapter introduces the concept of subprograms, distinguishing between functions and procedures. It explains how to define parameters, handle return values, and emphasizes the importance of modular code design by teaching how to create and implement reusable functions in C++. And the final chapter, Data Structures. This chapter introduces the concept of data structures, focusing on the use of struct in C++ to group heterogeneous data. It explains how to define, declare, and access to members of a structure, providing a foundation of organizing complex data in a clear and efficient way.